Right, guys, this is Bishop FX here once again. We've already created our Exness account and verified our Exness account. Now, when you create your Exness account, one thing that you need to know is that we have the demo account and we have the real account. The demo account is normal, just like you using virtual currency, virtual cash, okay, to learn how to trade. So it's not real money. So we are going to be creating our demo account, and take notes, the steps that we use in creating our demo account, that is the same steps we use in creating our real account. So we'll be creating, for the sake of tutorial, we'll be creating our demo account and link it to our MetaTrader 5. So carefully watch this video so that you don't get lost. Okay, so now when you open your Exness account, this is the interface that you are going to get. When you get this interface, look, check your top right corner, okay, and tap on the addition sign at the top right corner. Now you can tap on continue. So now when you get to this interface, you see, when you check the top, sorry, when you check the top here, you see we have real account, and when you check here, they've written demo account. Since we are beginners, okay, since we are beginners and we want to just learn how to trade, we don't want to play with real money, so we are not going to choose real account, we are going to choose demo account. Okay, so just tap on the demo account over here, just tap on it so that it's that one is the one selected. Okay, then you can tap on continue. Now when you tap on continue, for security reasons it will not be showing, okay, but it will ask you to input your password over here. So I'm just going to input my password. Okay, so I've inputted my password. You'll be seeing this page blank because of security. Because of security reasons, you'll be seeing this page. So just keep on watching this video. When you are done creating your password, you can tap on create account. Okay, tap on create account. Okay, beautiful. So our account has successfully been created. Since this is a demo account, you can deposit any amount of money. So you can see we have deposit here, we have withdraw here. So this is a demo account. So you can just tap on the deposit, okay, to deposit any amount of money. You can even deposit 10 billion. You can even deposit 10 million. It depends on you, the amount that you want to start using to learn how to trade. So personally, I want to input $500. So you can also do the same thing. You can input $100, you can input $500. So I input $500. Okay, then you tap on continue. Okay, tap on continue. Okay, so deposit status accepted. So when we go back to our, when we tap on the, when we go back, you realize that our account has been deposited $500. Okay, so we have $500 in our Exness account, in our demo account. So we now want to link our Exness to our MetaTrader 5. Carefully watch the steps, okay, so that you don't miss. Now to link it, first tap on details. Okay, you see we have trade here, we have deposit here, we have withdraw here, and we have details here. Tap on the details. Okay, when you tap on the details, they'll show you the fund and settings. Tap on settings, okay, because there is some informations at the settings that you are going to copy, so that you use that information into the MetaTrader 5. That is what will link both the Exness and the MetaTrader 5. Okay, so tap on settings. Sorry, tap on settings. Okay, tap on settings. Now this is the interface it brings us. Now what you have to carefully look at is this particular place. You see, when you check the last button, they are asking you, when you check this last button, they are asking you trading platform MetaTrader 5. Okay, so it means that you are going to link your account to MetaTrader 5. Now what you are going to copy is your login. There is a certain code beside the login. You are going to copy that code, and you are also going to copy the server. Okay, so here the server, we have Exness MT5 trial 9. Okay, and the login is 297304617, because you might not be able to remember when you go to your MetaTrader 5. So we just have to, okay, we just have to copy it. So I'm going to copy that code, and I'm also going to copy the server, which is the Exness MT5 trial 9. Okay, so when I'm done copying this, I'll go back to my MetaTrader 5. So let's go and open our MetaTrader 5. Okay. Okay, so we have successfully opened our MetaTrader 5. Now when you get to the MetaTrader 5 also, you see this addition sign at the top. right corner. Tap on that addition sign. Okay, now they'll ask you your broker, the broker that you want to connect to your MetaTrader 5. And remember, our broker is Exness. So we are going to type Exness. Exness. They'll give us some options. So carefully look at the option and select Exness Technologies Limited. Okay. Okay, successfully. Now you see they are asking us for the credentials that I asked you people to copy when we go to the when we open our Exness. So these credentials that you copied, your login and the server, you are going to use that same thing here because of security. You paste the login at where it is required, and you also input your password, the password you created when you were opening the demo account. Okay, you input the password, you input the password, then you select the server. Okay, you can scroll down to select the server. My server was Exness MT5 trial 9. Okay, so you just go through and select the Exness MT5 trial 9. Your own might be different. So when you are done, they'll give you an option which is login. Then you just tap on login. The moment you tap on login, your account will be linked successfully. So you can see that here I have the $500. It means that my account has been linked successfully. So this is how to create your demo account and link it to your MetaTrader 5, and the same process is used